Hello guys, my name is Ruchi Sharma. I read in 7th class. My school name is BN Public School, Devnagar Patur, Ithos, Gurgaon, Haryana. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel. I read SST question answers 7th class from 7th class. I read question answers from SST. Chapter 3rd, Earth's Surface and Interior. Very short answer type question. What is magma? Deep within Earth, three exits molten rocks material called magma. What is the meant by relief? The undulation, the wavy from an outline of the surface of the Earth is known as a relief. What do you mean by earthquake? A sudden shaking or vibration on a part of the Earth's surface is called earthquake. Define the term mineral. Crystals which are sometimes minute and sometimes quite large are called mineral. Short answer type question. How do we know about the interior of the Earth? The interior of the Earth is based on indirect sources. One of the most important sources is the behavior of seismic or earthquake waves. Mention the main features of the crust of the Earth. The crust is a thin, solid layer which covers the outside of the Earth. Its thickness varies from place to place. The crustal part includes the sea floor and continents. The sea floor is 4 to 7 km thick. The crust part is an average 35 km thick. The uppermost layer of the crust comprises of rocks and soils. What are the main features of the mantle of the Earth? A very thick layer lies between the crust of the Earth. This thick layer is called mantle. Mention any two characteristics of the core of the Earth. The core is the innermost part of the Earth. It has a radius of 3,470 km. The core can be classified into two major components, the outer core and the inner core. It is made up of the metals such as nickel or. Describe briefly the formation of the igneous rocks. Deep within the earth there exists molten rocks material called magma. Magma is under the great pressure and it's extremely hot. This hot material sometimes rises to the earth. Long question answer. Describe the interior structure of the earth. Most of the knowledge about the interior of the earth is based on the indirect sources. One of the most important sources is the behavior of the seismic earthquake waves. These waves travel at different speeds, which depend on the nature of material they pass through. Seismic waves were of two types. The primary or P waves are two waves and the secondary are S waves. The density of earth material such as minerals and rocks increase gradually from the surface toward the center. The earth's interior has a layered structure, crust, mantle and core. Next chapter is chapter 2. Changing face of earth. Very short answer type question. Which process modify the earth's surface? Weathering, erosion and dispersion. State the various factors which influence the rate of the weathering and erosion. External processes are responsible for changes that happen over the surface of the earth. Name the agent of denudation. Running water, glacier and wind. And sea waves are the running agents of the denudation. Name the type of glacier. There are two types of glacier, mountain glacier and continent glacier. Name the kinds of soil particles. Soil particles can be divided into two particles. And next page. Name the layers of the soil. Humus, water, clay, sand and gravel. Short answer type question. How does erosion take place? The process of erosion takes place everywhere and all the time. However, one process may sometimes to be more immense than the other. State the various factors which influence the rate of weathering and erosion. The process of weathering starts when new area of land get exposed. This can happen due to the three main reasons. Lava deposit, fall in the sea level, create rate of a glacier. What is delta? How it is formed? The formation of distribution result in the triangular shaped feature near the mouth of a river called delta. The east following rivers of peninsular India have formed delta. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me channel.